Hey guys, this indicator makes total of 75% of net profit grow and the percent profitable is 66%. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use this incredible indicator in TradingView. So let's start. First of all, we'll go through the indicator by its detail. Basically, today's indicator we are going to use UT bot by Seaside 420. And later we will take 3 reversal point for the indicator, and we will use risk reward ratio projection to calculate out 3 points profit or loss probability. And if the risk reward projection is more than 1, we can plan as the reward is higher compared to the risk. As a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. Basically, this indicator will be named under UT board version 5, and the author is Seaside 420. This UT board version 5 is using moving average vs its average true reading, and the form indeed for use as trailing stop loss. So basically, it will define as ATR TSL. So let's start. First of all, you can open out the indicator in the indicator tab, and you can just type for UT board V5, and it will come out the indicator. Basically, you can just choose it and use in your graph. And if you want to change the setting of the UT board, you can just go to the indicator and press for the setting tabs. At here, you can just change the description and setting of the indicator. For example, moving average type, you can change to others moving average based on your preference. And also you can change the sensitivity if you are using a shorter period of time frame. Basically, you can change the sensitivity and make the indicator to suit your trading strategy. You can just change the setting and just go to the strategy tester to test out your indicator whether it is works based on your specified time range. So besides, you also can check for the indicator's description at the More tab. So you can just go to about the script, and here you will see the description and definition of the indicator. For example, as you can see, when it trigger a buy signal, means that the moving average is higher than the ATR TSL and the price is higher than the ATR TSL. So basically, this is the how does the script trigger buy and sell point on the graph. You can go through this definition by yourself by pressing the description at the indicator. So basically, after that, it will generate out the indicator will be on the graph. So basically, you can see the buy signal, sell signal, you can see at this indicator, and we'll take a few points to study out. So we'll take latest 3 points to study out. So we'll take, let me open the volume tab first. So we'll take 3 higher volume indicator, 3 higher volume part. So basically, I will take this point, buy point, this sell point, and we'll take one more, this selling point. So as you can see, we'll plot out 3 points and we'll study for its strategy. So first, you can also include this volume profile as a reference, as this volume profile will provide support resistance to the graph. So basically, as you can see, this area, let me change the setting first. So basically, so I changed the volume to nearest. So basically here, the volume, we can plot out our support resistance. For example, at this area. This area will be one strong support or even resistance, as it has a higher volume, and one more point maybe here. And one more So after you have plot out, you can just define your support resistance. So basically, blue line is equal to support or even resistance of the graph. So basically this is based on volume profile. So yeah, so let us study the first point. So when the first point it trigger out a buy signal, basically you can just use the long position as it make a buy signal. As you can see, based on the previous, we doesn't have any short term, so basically we'll just pull until this area. This will be our short term if you are planning for our trade. So for our stop loss will be this area. So basically when you are planning for this trade, as you can see, the risk reward ratio based on our strategy will be 3.5. If the risk reward is higher than 1, for example 3.5 is a good trade, but as you can see, when the graph going up, it doesn't bring any volume, strong volume to push up the graph, so it just fall down. So basically this point, if you take a trade, will be a losing position and we need to cut loss based on the point. So yeah, and we'll take for the next point. So for the next point will be at a sell position. So we need to use short position. So for example, this point, this is the graph. So this will be at around this area, and for the cut loss be at here, short term. So basically this risk reward ratio, if we plan our trade, as you can see, it will go until this volume side, and the following graph also stop at this and it will retrace back. This will be a winning trade, but the risk reward ratio is 0.83, means that we will get reward lesser than risk, but it is a win trade, but the risk reward ratio is less than 1, so means that the earning possibility is lesser compared to this previous, but the winning is formed compared to this. So yeah, this is 0.2, and lastly we'll get for 0.3 this area. So basically if we want to plot, first we need to take a long position. So this will be at this area, and if you want to have a long position, our cut loss will be at until here, this strong volume. And for our winning side, we will take until here. So basically this point also have the risk reward ratio for 1.65, and you also can plan your trade based on this risk reward ratio. For example, the risk reward ratio is less than 1, you need to plan your trade, and also you need to obey and take responsibility if the point reaches its cut loss, and close your position or even hold on your position. So if you want to use any strategy, make sure that you need to have your strategy plan, and also you need to find out the risk reward ratio and also make your plan based on your strategy. So basically that's all how you can use this indicator, and you can try out yourself. Make sure that this indicator suits your trading style. You can try for strategy tester or even paper trading before you start using this indicator, as this indicator may be suit for this time frame, maybe suit for other time frame. You need to like optimize the indicator first before you use for this indicator. So yeah, basically that's all how you can use for this indicator. Thank you.